Good morning, my name's Jack and welcome back to another Rush Gang fishing episode. We're out here using the Swellpro this morning. Going to be dropping a couple of baits. Hopefully we'll pick up a snapper. We've actually arrived a little bit later than planned. A few slight delays this morning, but we're here now. We'll just get all the rods and that set up. Drop a couple of baits out there. How good is this? I've finally picked up a four-wheel drive for fishing. I've never owned a four-wheel drive before, so I've picked up an old Holden Colorado. This is going to make my fishing missions that much more enjoyable. But yeah, I've brought this just for fishing and getting the kids out four-wheel driving and whatnot, so this thing's going to be awesome. Can't wait to use it a bit more. But anyway, let's get a couple of baits out here. We've got mullet, tailor and whiting. First bait's going to be a chunk of mullet. Maybe about that size there. Just got two snelled 8/0 hooks through that. Bit of bait cotton on that.
Aircraft connected.
Better late than never.
Aircraft unlocked.
Let's get this first bait out for the morning. Man, it's so windy. I reckon with this wind we don't need to go too far. I reckon I'm going to go behind this reef here. So I reckon you want to be, that's only 180, which is good for that reel. You're ready? So 3, 2, 1, drop. So just tighten the drag and get it tight.
Return to home. Aircraft locked.
Alright, well that's Angus's bait out in the water. That one's out about 180 metres, just behind a bit of reef there. It's actually so windy this morning. Very windy. Alright, I'll get my rod set up. I've actually got myself a brand new rod, so I'm pretty excited to use it. We'll get that set up, get mine out there as well. Let's get a fish on. Check out this thing. The Assassin Vector rod. Made for drone fishing. This thing's a beast, so I'll get this set up. Chuck the reel on there. We'll get my bait in the water. This rod here is brand spanking new. I haven't even taken the plastic wrapper off it yet, so I am excited. Oh, it's still got the label on it. Assassin rod, Vector, 12'6" heavy. Bit of a beast of a rod. I've also never fished with an overhead reel before as well, so this could be interesting. I'll get this all set up, kind of mucking around a bit and the sun's coming up real quick, so I'll get this set up as quick as I can and we'll get a bait out. Oh, it's like, yeah, this will stop anything. I haven't even got my rod in the water yet. Angus's one's getting a few touches. I don't know if he's onto a little fish or
I don't know.
There's something bigger playing with it. Might be a little fish on there, eh? It's pretty constant bites.
Oh.
Having a four-wheel drive is going to be such a game changer for me. I've never owned one before in my life. Just being able to drive up to spots like this. Fish right here. Yeah, surely. Got him?
Yeah.
Fish on. Wicked, man. You're definitely on, eh?
Yeah.
It's not massive though, it's not full of line. But we've hooked whatever's been playing around with the bait. That was on the first drop of the morning. That was 180 metres out. Just behind the reef there. I might actually walk down there. You're alright, eh?
Yeah.
I'm going to go down because
It's not far. biting very much.
No, I reckon it's pretty small, eh? But it's a fish. Oh, here it comes. He's already got it in. It's a snapper. Yeah, he's got a little snapper. A beautiful little snapper. On the chunk of mullet. Little Ockie skirt there.
That's a good sign.
Yeah, that is a good sign. Clean hookup too, like he'll release so easy.
Look at the blue on its eye.
Yeah. That's cool. Little snapper. First bait of the morning, that's pretty cool. He can go straight back. Chuck him off the reef there, eh? Oh, put him in that little pool, yeah, he'll swim out. Yeah, that one's better. Actually looks like it would have been a wicked morning for walking along the reef here casting lures, but it's alright, we're here drone fishing. Yeah, this is sick. Go, buddy. Out he goes. Alright, there you go, first fish of the morning, no monster. It is the target species though, so that's pretty wicked. Let's get my bait out. I want to get a fish of my own. My first ever drop on the new rod. Same old good? It sounds so different to a spin reel. I don't know if I need to go a bit slower, or is that alright?
It's going fine.
Seems alright. Singing, eh? Back comes the drone. Huh? I need to land this. Is that going to be fish on straight away? I think my drone rods might be straight in here. Drone's still landing. Angus reckons it's getting bites. Quickly get this on the ground.
Aircraft locked.
Gee, that was a bit close to that pole there.
It feels so weird because the rod's so stiff. I'll make sure it is.
It's getting bites as soon as it hit the water. Is that one on? Yeah, it's still getting bites. I don't even know if I need to put it in the rod holder. Oh yeah.
I mean, bloody hell, we get a fish each on 4 shots.
Instant action. Oh yeah, they're good bites, man. Man, it's windy. They're quite good bites.
Yeah.
Like, this is a pretty heavy rod. I'm gonna put it down, eh? I'm gonna wait for the buckle. It is still getting touched as though.
Is it another buckle?
I hope so. Angus's second drop's racing out now. Just put my second drop of the morning in. Getting good bites right now. Surely I get a hook up. My first drop, the bait's got hammered. Lost my bait. Surely this one, oh, that. Turn the clicker off. Oh yeah, fish on. Got him. Yeah. First fish on the new rod. Yeah, he feels decent, man. Never used an overhead reel before, so I am feeling a little bit unco here. Yeah, no, this is a good fish, I think, eh? It's definitely got a fair bit of weight to it. Oh, did he? Oh, I think he just come off. No! I just dropped it, I think. Damn it. That was 100% a snapper then. Oh. That sucks, man. Oh, well, I might as well wind it all the way in now. I'll have another drop. Damn it, that was my fish. I'm fish on again. I was just winding it in because I just dropped that fish. Well, I thought I dropped it. And my rod just loaded up again. So I don't know if it's a new fish or if that same fish just kind of swam at me. Oh, I'm having a hard time here. I don't know what I'm doing. I think it's a snapper though. I think it's definitely going to be a snapper. I've still got a little way to go. So, this is what we come for, I think. Just put me in the reef. Oh, come on. Don't do this. Oh no. I think I'm going to have to let him swim out. And try and let it swim out. Quickly get rid of this jacket because I'm absolutely cooking. Oh, he's pulling.
Is he out?
Fish is still on, but I think he's definitely in the reef there. Still fairly head shakes though. I'm hoping I can get him out. Oh, that's pretty tight. Oh, I'm absolutely spewing. Absolutely spewing. I couldn't work out how to get the drag to go tighter. I've never used this sort of reel before. Mucking around, I let the sinker and they get stuck in the reef down there. And I dropped the fish. Oh, I'm gutted, eh? That was a good fish. I'm pretty confident that was a good snapper. Absolutely spewing. We'll re-rig. Have another drop. That one hurt. It would have been too good to get a good fish on the new rod. Oh, nothing on that last drop. Bit of a shame. I dropped a good fish. Angus got one. First time fishing from my four-wheel drive, so no, pretty cool. Everything went well other than I dropped the fish, but that was my own fault. I didn't know how to use the reel. If you like this one, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.